What's going on, naturing family? Mike here, back with another adventure today here in Shickshinny, Pennsylvania, Shickshinny Creek Road. And we'll be following Shickshinny Creek down to some waterfalls that I've read about, searching online for some more secluded waterfalls, and I came across this one. Showed two beautiful waterfalls, and again, it's new. I want to take you guys along on this adventure, so welcome to the channel. And if you're new here, go ahead, hit that subscription button down below. Join me in the naturing family on all these wonderful adventures. And if you're already subbed, you know what we're doing, guys. Let's go get this adventure. I'm going to turn you around and just show you exactly where I'm at. So let's go, guys. As I said, we're in Shickshinny, Pennsylvania, and we just came through the access gates through the state game parking lot. And right now we are attempting to find Little Shickshinny Falls. Now this is a waterfall area that I've only seen pictures of online before, once or twice. And I just stumbled upon it again, and I decided since we had a little decent rain, we would take a stroll down and get a good look at it. So this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna take you down to Little Shickshinny Falls, give you the view of the trail, and like I said, hopefully we get some beautiful flow. We're in a nice state game forest right off the main drag, and just take a look at all this beautiful forest right off the bat. And we're going to be completely surrounded today as we make our way down trail. And then let's see what we could find. Again, this is my first time here. Hopefully we'll be able to find some interesting things. So I'll bring you back just a little further down trail. I just wanted to bring you back and take you to one of my favorite places when I walk through forests or when I'm walking down trails. I love going through these little pine coves where they just branch over and it looks like you're just going through a little tunnel. So beautiful, and the shade it gives. I'm just loving it. And there's a slight breeze today, which is good because it's warm out. Not quite as humid as the past few days here, but it's still enough to get a sweat on you. And just wow, take a look at this beautiful scenery. I think I could hear the water, unless that's the trees rustling. But just look out here, guys. Right out in the beautiful pines. Just incredible. Just give you a nice pan shot looking out. And then this nice pine forest. Just even this trail here, just absolutely wonderful. I mean, look, I'll get low and just take in this beautiful trail. Now that's a nice shot. But yeah, we're gonna make our way down, continuing on. And again, I hear some loud water up ahead. Hope that's one of the falls. Wow, I hear a lot of water. There's two different paths you could go. One path starts over here, and there's one over here which has a white mark on it, so I'm gonna head down this way and I can see some water flowing. Oh wow. This is gonna be great, guys. You know what? Instead of going down first, I'm actually gonna go up higher, just in case we miss anything further upstream, because that would be a shame, especially being our first time here. Yeah, we're gonna take a trail down, just see where this goes. Now, from what I've read online, that this is the beginning of where the waterfall starts. This isn't the main waterfall, but the little reservoir which everything starts at. But wow, look at this, guys. Wow. We'll walk right out on here and look at this. Wow. Guys, this is gorgeous here. This is just a natural man-made dam. Maybe I could get down a little further and give you a better shot of this water. Ugh. Well, check this out. Straight ahead, little Shickshinny Creek as it flows, and look, there's more trails up ahead. But just look at that. I mean, despite being brown, the water is see-through. But look at this incredible shot up here. Wow. Just give you a better angle on that. I'm so happy we have some nice flow here. And now I'm going to try to get you guys a nice shot looking from the bottom here. Might be a little difficult to get down. I don't really see too many ways to get down, but we'll manage it. I promise you that. Wow. It looks like there's a massive drop off straight ahead. If you look right at the end there, that looks like a massive waterfall. And I think that's Little Shickshinny Fall. I can kind of tell from the rock formation up on the top there from the pictures. But wow, guys, check this out. Absolutely pretty here. So let's turn around and we'll get up and we will get down to that bottom of the fall and get a great shot of this, because this looks absolutely beautiful for a man-made structure. But I gotta scurry all the way back up that hill and then hopefully find a trail that will lead us back down here. So stick with me, guys, and we'll get us down to these waterfalls. Absolutely stoked to be here. Feels great to see the water again. We just crawled right up through that steep trail, which is gonna be a little tricky getting back up. But we're gonna turn you guys around and just look at this. Wow. How beautiful is this, guys? Just look how absolutely gorgeous this man-made fall is here at the top. Absolutely stunning location here in Shickshinny, Pennsylvania. Wow, guys, this is awesome. And you could walk right up here on this little concrete platform and just look at the stunning views you could get up here. Wow. Everything up here is so picturesque. And that hike was about maybe 10 minutes maximum. This little Shickshinny Creek is quite impressive. And again, maybe about a 45-minute drive from my hometown. Got you right here in the game parking land. And it brought you right up here to the top of Shickshinny Creek. Let's go, guys. But now we're making our way down to this trail, and it is steep, guys. Wow. Very steep. There's actually a rope here. Let me show you this rope. There's actually a rope here in which to hold on and get down to. So one hand, I'll hold on to that, and we'll make our way down this steep area. So thank you to whoever put that rope here, because it is quite slippery today. This is definitely coming in handy. Thank you, kind hiker, who tied this awesome climbing rope up this steep hill, because that is a mess. That would have been pretty treacherous getting down without it, so awesome move. Look at this epic terrain we had to come down to get to it. Such a steep grade, but look at this view, guys. Tell me it wasn't worth the hike. Wow. Such an impressive fall right here, guys. I don't know how this isn't more known. Wow. This is incredible, guys. It really is. Wow, I'm like almost speechless. Take a look at that. I love that beautiful rock arch. Guys, how incredible is this? Wow. Look at this. We're just right here, right at the base of the pool here on these beautiful rocks. And the creek follows all the way down towards the road. But just look at this view here. Let me give you guys a nice pan. Wow, this is so beautiful, guys. This area is absolutely incredible. Let me try to get another angle on this waterfall, guys. Wow, that's a nice size fall too. Man, the sound of this is incredible. And just look at that sun beaming perfectly through. Incredible, guys. I am like in awe right now of this. All right, naturing family, that's gonna do it for today's adventure here in Shickshinny, here at Little Shickshinny Falls. Again, just a massive waterfall here. Did not expect this. We had another fall up ahead that was equally as amazing. Beautiful pool here. We had the kid jumping off the rope swing over there. Got some awesome footage. Gave him my GoPro. So cool. But again, look at this amazing fall behind me. Easy to get to. Can't ask for anything in a day like this. Hot outside. I should have jumped in, but I had the jeans on today, but there's always another time. But again, I want to thank you guys so much for following me along on this journey. And if you're new here, go ahead, hit that sub button down below. It really does help me out. And if you're already part of the naturing family, thank you so much. And I'm glad to take you on adventures just like this, and I hope you enjoy them. And this is Mike from Out Naturing. Keep it real. See you in the next one.